Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get Brawl stars on your computer. Playing your favorite mobile games on a larger screen can significantly enhance your experience. The key to achieving this is using an Android emulator, which essentially mimics a mobile device on your personal computer. This process is straightforward and opens up a world of possibilities for your gaming. First, you will need to choose an emulator. There are several excellent options available, each with slightly different features and system requirements. Once you have made your selection, visit its official website to download the installation file. The installation process is typically very user-friendly, guiding you through each step to get the emulator set up on your computer in just a few minutes. With your emulator installed, the next step is to get Brawl Stars running. Launch the emulator and sign in using your Google account, just as you would on a new Android phone. Then, locate and open the Google Play Store within the emulator. From there, simply search for Brawl Stars, click the Install button, and wait for the game to download and set up. It is a very familiar process. To get the best experience, take a moment to optimize your emulator settings. You can often adjust graphics quality and performance to match your computer's capabilities. Additionally, customizing your keyboard controls will give you a significant advantage, allowing for more precise movements and actions in the game. Enjoy playing Brawl Stars with improved control and visual clarity on your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.